want to know how to make by yourself fire box braid in less than 3 hours, come with me.
It's fucking Treyway, King New York, looking for the queen.
I'm feeling this box braid like, wait a minute, this is a fire box braid, okay? If you want to know how to do girls, this oh my goodness, it's a fire box braid, you can't believe it. I freaking love this box braid, girls. This box braid is the bomb.com. Okay, let me tell you, this box braid is from Xtrend here in AliExpress. Use the code Xtrend here, I will leave it here, so you can have $5 off of your order. Okay, Xtrend here, don't forget Xtrend here in AliExpress. Oh my god, I'm in freaking love this here. Like, it take me like 2 hours and 40 43 minutes, 44 minutes and something to do it. You see, like, I love them. They is very cute. I don't want to talk too much. Like, okay, you see my lips, imagine my box bright. Okay, but nice. I know you're asking like, that is what color is this? Is the color Pearl Forest. Yes, I think I have it here. You see that? This is the new edition. New edition from colorcl.com. Use my discount code JKID10 so you can have 10% off. They cost $15, but with my discount code JKID10 you will have it for $13. You can't believe it. See that? More natural impossible. Okay, so girls, this box right, I had too much. Okay, let me leave you with this video. I'm going to show you 3 methods to do your box braid very fast. Okay, you will have it like in 2 hours. If you're not doing nothing else, you will have it in 2 hours or less than 2 hours. So girls, don't forget don't forget don't forget to subscribe in the red button, and near the red button you have the bell. Press the bell so you can be notified when I upload your video. Comment and tell me what you think about my firebox braid, because they are fire. So comment down below and share my video, okay? My bellas, my squad, my princess, Madam Key want to tell you that have a cute day, have a cute night. So yeah, follow me to see how I create this gorgeous hairstyle, okay? Bye.
Anyhow you like, I go do my dear. As long as it no cost palava.
Spells.
Promise say you go treat me well, oh. Give me good love and no be kiss and tell, oh. No be say after that wine I'm well, oh. Make you no go leave your girl for
Beautiful pony.
See you, baby.
Enkies. Friend on body.
Boys, I'm
Enkies.
see you, baby.
Fine boy, no they talk chow. Who name say me girlfriend to come in me say we you bully Abra with them in cow.
Stopping easy. We've tried to liberate the people of the world, and I don't know.
Freedom.
DanaMotion.com.
Shatter. Freedom. Shatter.